Muegenga TV show. Morning, Muegenga. Wow, nakasahod na si Sir. For sure. Nakasahod ka na, Sir Valdo. Ayan, congratulations. 4 months na rin loads. Oh, nakasahod na yan. Thank you so much. Hello, Muegenga. Ano yun? Muegenga TV show. Mega love shout out. Where are you from, Megenga? Ah, good morning. Mega love shout out. Good morning po. Megenga TV show. Mega love shout out. Mas may gagawin pa nga ako sa Baldo. Naglilinis pa kaya ako. Kaya in-stop ko lang gawa nito. Tapos mamaya, nakarap pa rin naman yan dyan. Tapos, silent ka muna habang naglilinis. Thank you sa 4 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Panood, play kita after server. Tinatapos ko kayong Pinay Joy and Love. For viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Mega love shout out. Saing muna ako, Lord. Sige, Sir Baldo, thank you so much. Thank you po sa pagbisita. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Ingat po tayo and God bless. God bless po. Thank you so heart. Thank you so much. Hello, Ma'am Lalehan Vlog. Good morning, everyone. Tamsak, thank you sa patamsak, Ma'am Lalehan Vlog. Si Ma'am Kisnel. Ayan, tapos yan. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Lalehan Vlog. Good morning. Ayan. Thank you sa patamsak. At si Ma'am Lalehan Vlog is si Ma'am Kisnel Channel. Guys. Shout out, Baldo. God bless. Sabi ni Lalehan Vlog. I'm from Rwanda. We love you so much. Thank you so much, Meganda. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you, Ma'am Lalehan Vlog. Si Ma'am Kisnel Channel. Thank you, Ma'am Lalehan. Six viewers, mega love shout out.